Sorkar jela kelamang tingka hado shispa khandai Klur tingka bachna Pynbha bat Pynbiang Pynbet shispa khandai puai teli ki Iing Skul hakeleng jela lengba kemang pisa jong snam aja arpuai arpuar yakari la pentip do menteri ubade khmi ekatrat puli puthi jong Sorkar jela uba lakmen rumboi haba juba hakakenta keli jingkeli hakasi ke bahandri jong dobar sunrai jong Iing dobar thawan ke jela ka khanyu trik unai lur aja arpuai balakeli do nong thawan ke Congress namo sendram uba HM Shangpliang uba Rumboy ulong bagani ke Sorkar ke beningkong ban phai khmat ji skul ki bapet ke Sorkar hakeleng ke jela nagi shispa khandai phui teli ki skul ban shna Pynbha shipotli ki de secondary but higher secondary school southly ki upper primary but lightly ki lower primary school.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to start question 161A. Sir, no common LP schools and common aided schools under Mausram block which have been sanctioned for repairing of schools building. B. Sir, no common LP school that has been provided with furniture during the year 2018 till date. C. Sir, two common LP school under Mausram block has been approved from 2018 till date for construction of new school building under the state scheme.
So, Honourable Speaker, now this answer is so negative, sir. A is negative, B is negative, C is partially positive. So this just shows the attitude of the government, the education department towards the schools in the rural areas. I'm projecting this picture not just for Mausandram constituency alone. This picture is for all the rural schools in the state, sir. I'm aware, sir, because I have been traveling through the length and breadth of the state, and I know, sir, that the conditions of the rural schools, particularly the government LP schools and the upper primary schools, or the government aided schools, are in this condition, sir. Sir, in my constituency, I wish I could have brought the pictures of all the school buildings, which few of them I have forwarded to the Principal Additional Chief Secretary in charge education. So since the last 2018, I've been asking for repairs. So not a single money has been provided.